Welcome back to Buy Your Car. And today we're taking a detailed look at one of the most futuristic vehicles ever created, the 2027 Tesla Cybercab, also known as the Tesla Robotaxi. This is the car that could completely change the future of transportation in America. No steering wheel, no pedals, fully electric, and built around autonomous driving technology. Tesla is pushing the boundaries once again, and this vehicle looks like it came straight out of a science fiction movie. The first thing you notice about the 2027 Tesla Cybercab is the exterior design. It follows Tesla's futuristic styling language with a very smooth and aerodynamic body. The front end is extremely clean, with a full-width LED light bar stretching across the nose, giving the car a modern robotic personality. The low roofline and compact dimensions make it look sporty while still keeping enough room for passengers inside. The silver metallic finish combined with sharp body lines gives this robotaxi a premium and high-tech appearance. One of the biggest highlights is the butterfly-style doors, which open upward and instantly grab attention. Tesla designed this vehicle with simplicity in mind, and there are almost no unnecessary design elements anywhere on the body. From the side profile, the Cybercab looks incredibly sleek. Large aerodynamic wheels help improve efficiency, and the smooth surfaces reduce wind resistance for maximum electric range. The rear section continues the futuristic design with minimal lighting and a clean bumper setup. Unlike traditional vehicles, there's no grille, because this is a fully electric vehicle. Everything about the exterior is focused on efficiency, autonomy, and futuristic appeal. Moving inside, the interior is even more shocking. Since this is designed as a self-driving robotaxi, there's no steering wheel or pedals. Tesla completely redesigned the cabin experience to feel more like a luxury lounge than a traditional car. The dashboard is ultra-minimalistic, with a massive central display controlling everything from navigation to entertainment. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, with premium materials and plenty of legroom despite the compact body size. The cabin feels open and airy thanks to the large glass roof, which allows natural light to enter throughout the interior. Tesla also focused heavily on artificial intelligence and voice control systems. Passengers can control climate settings, music, destinations, and entertainment simply by speaking. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin gives it a futuristic nighttime atmosphere, while hidden storage compartments keep the interior clean and organized. When it comes to performance, the 2027 Tesla Cybercab may not be a sports car, but it still delivers impressive electric power and smooth acceleration. Tesla's electric motors provide instant torque, making city driving feel quick and effortless. The biggest feature here is Tesla's advanced full self-driving system, which is expected to handle nearly all driving situations automatically. This vehicle is designed to operate as a fully autonomous taxi service, potentially running day and night without human drivers. Tesla is also expected to deliver strong battery efficiency, with estimated range figures around 300 miles on a single charge. Fast charging capability means the Cybercab can quickly return to service with minimal downtime, which is extremely important for a robotaxi business model. Pricing could be the biggest surprise. Tesla is targeting an affordable starting price reportedly below $30,000, making it one of the most accessible, futuristic EVs on the market. If Tesla can deliver on all these promises, the 2027 Tesla Cybercab could become one of the most revolutionary vehicles America has ever seen. Thanks for watching Buy Your Car. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more future car reviews and the latest automotive technology updates.